Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today's video is just another quick product explanation video, and this is for our reproduction IROC-Z Foglight. So these are for 1982 to 1992 Camaros, however specifically for the bumper opening on 85 to 92. The ground effects change from 91 to 92, but that's the same bumper, and it's a slightly larger opening, I believe, than some of the earlier models and different models, especially Berlinettas and stuff. But let me show you what I'm talking about. So, when you order this from us, you get two of these foglights. That's simple. Let's go get the other one out here. So you will get a pair of these, just like factory. And again, the point of this product is a replacement for those who already have them. So we're going to give everything you need to replace them. A lot of these brackets rotted out from the factory. We're giving you new brackets. A lot of the glass gets nasty and cracked and different things. It's all new glass. You'll need to reuse your bulbs. You need to get new bulbs, and you'll already have the wiring harness and the sockets and stuff to go in there, assuming these are being used for replacements. Now you can obviously use these to add to any Camaro. You'll see on here, these have welded in threads, so you kind of just put it in the car like this, and then factory screws would hold it down from the top, and you can adjust it here to get the right angle for the lighting. If you don't have a factory bumper, you can get smaller bolts and run them through these holes and use a nut down here, or just take this with you to a hardware store and match these bolts. Now, any AutoZone or Discount Auto Parts, if those are still around, O'Reilly's, Pep Boys, they have Foglight kits, so you can literally just get one of their wiring harnesses, find a socket bulb replacement that matches these. You can pick up a pigtail easily at any of the auto parts stores or on Amazon. To be honest, if there's more of you guys that are using these to put on cars that did not come with them to begin with, and you want a wiring kit or something, let me know. I can put together wiring kits for you guys so that it comes with like the things that just pop in there with some bulbs and some wires and an easy switch, or some way to splice it in to just work off of whatever switch you want it to. That's it. I'll flip it around and I'll show you on my beat up Camaro kind of where they go, but that's pretty much the orientation, guys. They're just foglights. They have an angle to them, so there is a left side and a right side. These are two different brackets. It's not like the cheap ones you get on eBay. We just get two rectangles that are flat. These have that beveled look to them that would probably, let's see, this would be your driver, this would be a passenger, so this is how it would look on the car facing you, and it would bevel in to kind of just match the contour of the bumper, I guess. Seems odd to me because I've got them backwards. So it would actually be like this, so that the contour matches the contour of the bumper. You see the glass kind of like it's more protruded in the center. That way it matches your bumper. I try to put these on my 98. I think they're the brackets are a little too big, but I will show you on the 91 how easily they go inside. And again, you're just going to do a couple of drop down bolts to hold these things in, and then it uses factory style bulb sockets. Not much else to it. Again, if you have any questions, let us know. But these are just really nice OEM replacements for the guys that have very old, at this point, Lord, almost 40-year-old Foglight brackets on their car. So these are all brand new metal, powder coated black, so that you don't have to worry about it rusting anytime soon, at least. Obviously, if you wreck it and break the powder coat, then metal does what metal does, but as close to OEM as possible, brand new, ready for you to make your car nice again. So let's flip the camera around, show you where they go, and close the video out. And here's the project car, still waiting on some bearings and different things, but the front right here is where you put your foglights. So I currently have a crappy grill half in there. Pull that out, and behind that someone stuck a bow tie sticker, but yeah, it's super simple. Top left hand and top left hand. Okay, so you would simply put this in this way, and it goes to the top of that bracket right there. It's literally all there is to it. See how the back there, that's going to attach to the top part, and it'll just drop right through with those screws. And then you put your other one over there, and that's where they go. Sorry that I'm not actually like installing these on this car, because as you can see, this car needs a lot more stuff done to it before it gets fog lights. So that's it. Simple product, guys. Yeah, and as I was saying, it's just kind of a little bit too big for this one. Even if it fit inside of there. I have this grill taped up right now as I'm trying to mock it up and figure some things out. But even with that out of the way, it's a pretty tight fit. You can get them in there. If you really wanted to try it, you could get them in there. I cannot get a focus, but if you really wanted to get them in there, you could. I don't know how much it matches being a rounded looking car with a big rectangular square fog light, but where there's a will, there's a way, and no one here is judging how you decide to customize your car. So let's flip it around and finish this video. And that's it. Nothing really much else to say. If you need some factory style, OEM replacement style fog lights for your 85 to 90 IROC-Z or 85 to 92 Z28, then these are the guys for you. If you're interested in me, like just putting together a little kit to go with these, it has a couple bolts, your little pigtail for your plug, maybe some nice LED lights, something like that. Just let me know what your needs are and I'll make you a kit for it. But honestly, not necessary. You could get these from us and spend 20 minutes at an AutoZone and come home and put these on your car. So if you have any other questions, let me know. If you're enjoying these product videos, hating these product videos, whatever it is, just give me some feedback so that I don't feel like such a bumbling moron up here just like talking about random stuff. But hopefully it helps some people. So that's it. This is replacement fog lights to make your car brand new and look super menacing going down the street. Any other questions, let me know. If you like it, subscribe. If you have anything else you want to see, let me know. I'm open. So I hope you guys have a blessed day and thanks for watching.